You think you're normal? Well, science just proved that some of you watching this video right now have abilities that literally only 1 to 5% of humans on Earth possess. I'm talking about real superpowers backed by actual research, and you might not even know you have them. Number 1, you can see 100 million colors. Picture this, that you're looking at a sunset, and while everyone else sees maybe a million different colors, you're seeing 100 million. This isn't science fiction, it's called tetrachromacy, and it affects around 1 to 2% of women on the planet. Here's what's wild. Most humans have 3 types of color receptors in their eyes, but tetrachromats have a 4th one. The University of California actually found a woman who could distinguish colors that looked identical to everyone else. She could literally see shades of red that don't even have names because the rest of us can't see them. But here's the crazy part. You could have the genetic mutation for this and not even know it, because our world isn't designed for people who can see that many colors. It's like having a superpower in a world that can't appreciate it. Number 2, you're basically immune to HIV. No joke. About 1% of people with Northern European ancestry have a genetic mutation called CCR5 delta 32 that makes them practically immune to HIV infection. Scientists discovered this when they noticed some people exposed to the virus just never got infected. Turns out their cells have a defect that actually works as a superpower. The virus literally cannot enter their cells because the door is locked shut. This mutation probably evolved during ancient plagues, and now these people are walking around with natural protection against one of the most feared viruses in modern history. Imagine finding out you're part of this 1%. It's like discovering you're genetically bulletproof. Number 3, you literally see sounds and hear colors. Okay, this one sounds completely insane, but 4% of people have something called synesthesia. These people don't just hear music, they see it. They don't just look at numbers, they taste them. Studies show that synesthetes' brains are wired differently. When they hear a saxophone, they might see golden ribbons floating in their vision. The number 7 might taste like chocolate, and Tuesdays might always look green to them. Famous artists like Pharrell Williams credit synesthesia for their creativity. It's literally like having extra senses that blend together. And the wild part? Most synesthetes think everyone experiences the world this way until they realize, nope, their brain is just built different. Number 4. You have naturally super strength. This sounds like a comic book, but there are humans walking around with a genetic mutation that gives them incredible muscle mass without even trying. It's called myostatin-related hypertrophy, and it's incredibly rare. Children born with this mutation develop lean, defined muscles at a young age and possess strength that's way beyond normal. Scientists have documented cases where kids could lift weights that would challenge adults, and it's all because of a gene that controls muscle growth. The craziest part? These people don't need to work out to maintain their superhuman strength. Their genetics literally did the work for them before they were even born. Number 5. You can move your ears like a cat. Less than 10% of humans can voluntarily wiggle their ears, and most people think it's just a silly party trick. But science shows this ability means your brain's motor areas are more developed than average. While most mammals use ear movement to locate sounds and show emotions, humans largely lost this ability through evolution, but some people retained it. Studies suggest these people have enhanced neural pathways that most of us simply don't possess. It might seem useless, but having voluntary control over muscles that most people can't even feel demonstrates superior neural connectivity. You're basically using parts of your brain that evolution tried to phase out. Here's what blows my mind. These aren't fictional superpowers or internet myths. These are real, documented abilities backed by peer-reviewed scientific research. The person sitting next to you could be seeing colors you've never imagined, or their cells could be naturally fighting off viruses that would affect you. Science keeps discovering that humans are way more diverse and extraordinary than we thought. Some of us are genetic outliers, living proof that evolution is still experimenting with what it means to be human. If you want more videos like this, subscribe right now.